How about this for a new project? 2008 Iveco Eurocargo Horsebox. Hi everybody, I just thought I'd do a little bit of a catch up with you regarding this week's video. It's all about Hetty the Horsebox and basically an introduction and everything that we've done to it so far. I want to apologise because of all the clips and photos at different locations at different times. I didn't realise I was actually going to start a YouTube channel when I started videoing it. I was doing it mainly for my own sort of personal reasons, but since starting the channel I've thrown everything in with it, so you've got a bit of a mishmash of clips and pictures this week. Anyway, I hope you like what you see. I'll see you soon. Unfortunately it's not mine, as much as I'd love it to be, but it's my project for my friends. There's not much of living space in here. It was used just to transport horses and kids. It's a lovely inspection hatch down here. What it's for, I have no idea, but it goes into the engine. A window there. Big space above the cab. Window there which needs replacing. The door to the stalls. And this is the stalls. And the whole vehicle is 6 metres long inside this area by 3 metres wide. 3.5 metres wide, should I say. So it's all going to be ripped out back to bare bones. Cure any leaks in the roof, because there is a couple. And then build some nice big motorhome. So the repairs to the roof were done with Aquasil and fiberglass tape. And I can tell you something, it works a treat, because it was parked outside in a car park for a while after the repair was done, because the repair was done back in the summer. And where it leaked in so many places, it was so wet inside, it was unbelievable. It was disgustingly wet. And all the leaks stopped as soon as I'd done the full repair. I was so amazed. Anybody repairing a fiberglass roof of any kind, use a fiberglass scrim tape and Aquasil. Yeah, it costs quite a bit for a tub of the Aquasil, but it's worth every single penny. And it's good for future repairs, so if any more leaks appear, or if there's any other leaks anywhere on the roof, that stuff's fantastic. It really, really is good stuff. Anyway, no, I'm not being paid to say that, but, and I know it's not meant for the roof of the any Horsebox or these fiberglass roofs. It's to repair flat roofs, and you know, go and buy a tub, try it, see what you think. I think it's fantastic stuff. Right, so that's Hetty, and that's where we are and what stage we're at with her so far. Loads to do, so much to do, it's unbelievable, but it's all going to be good fun. And I think the finished product of this one, the high spec that's required of this vehicle and the interior, is going to be absolutely amazing. I hope you like what you saw. Yes, there's a lot of work to do, and I'm looking forward to it. I really am. I love this job. Anyway, I'm going to say bye for now. Stay safe, hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.